Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Bravetune open-ear true wireless earbuds. You can get this product on Amazon for about $68. Check out the link in the description. Open-ear headphones or earbuds are very comfortable, they are very hygienic, and they are very safe because you can still hear what's going on around you. The earbuds come with a user manual, a charging cable, a lanyard, and the charging case. The charging case is small and lightweight, and it's very convenient to take the earbuds with you wherever you go. The user manual tells you how to connect and operate the earbuds. Connecting the earbuds with a Bluetooth device is very easy and only takes a few seconds. Charging the earbuds and the case is very easy. Charging time is less than an hour and the playtime is up to 8 hours, up to 30 hours with the charging case. I tested the earbuds for about 2 weeks and I think it's a great product. They are very comfortable, the sound quality is pretty good, the microphone is good, I use it a lot for phone calls, and I love the charging case. So if you are looking for some good quality open-ear earbuds, I would recommend the Bravetune open-ear true wireless earbuds. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.